Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Dare to believe. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We ended our industrials closed down 312, NASDAQ off 142, S&P's down 45, gold contract down $14.30 at 1,131 an ounce. Silver down 55 cents at $14.55 an ounce. Platinum down 30 bucks at $9.17 an ounce. Copper down 4 pennies at $2.24 a pound. Light sweet crude off a $1.23 at $44.47 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year up 17 ticks, 128.12. 30-year up 1 full point, 27 ticks, 157.09. King dollar down 249 ticks, 96.18. King dollar couldn't handle higher price once again. Euro up 37 at 112, and the yen down 62 or half a penny at 119.96. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so if we start with the SPY, folks, this is what we're looking at. SPY today closed down $4.94. You've done 157 million shares. You're running into, there we go. You're going into the 26th, 25th, and 24th price points were at 187.91, and what the SPY couldn't do is hold the lows of the 26th. So now we're dealing with the lows of the 25th, which are 186.92. So the bottom line is that you're going to basically see more pressure. I suspect we're going to try to get down there. Bottom line, you know, we're almost at 100% move of a move. Not quite yet on the S&Ps. Inside the NDX 100, what do we have inside the NDX 100? This is how the NDX is set up. NDX down with 43 million shares. We're at 99.99, and that little baby hit 99.69. It hasn't rejected price yet. Bottom line, would have to get back inside 100.63. So that's saying that it can still run to this 98.93 level. Now, we're going to go through the IBB, because this is, the IBB, folks, is what has been running the market for quite some time. It ran the market on the way up. Now it's running the market on the way down. The IBB in 7 days has gone from 359 to 285. Monster volume. What the IBB did today is you get down to 285, you close the 290, you get 11 million shares. Now that is 100% move of a move. Specifically, August 24th, you're at 284. You bounce up to 366, you're back down to 285.53. When you do that, you bounce again. I don't expect you're going to have a bounce like you had the last time, but bottom line, I do expect you're going to see a bounce in that. And what that will specifically will do is put a bounce inside the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&Ps, the small caps, and I expect you're going to see that tomorrow morning, because this is how this is kind of set up right now. So it's really going to be intriguing watching how this does set up. And on that bounce, what you'd be looking for is this. Well, I'll tell you whether you're a bull or a bear. If you're a bull, of course, you're looking for a bounce, and you're looking for an expansion of volume on that bounce. If you're a bear, you're looking for you're looking for the price going up, and you're looking that as you start moving up, you're going to see the volume contract once again. You have that. Bottom line is that this market is just setting up another B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. That's my take on this baby. Gold. What do we have with gold? Nice setup on gold. You have the price destruction out here. Bottom line is that they couldn't get the juice behind the move as it moved to lower price out here. Gold today, low 1127, closed out at 1131. You did volume of 136,000 contracts. You're coming into sign of strength on Thursday. Thursday we had 220,000 contracts. That little baby wants to not only get up to the highs of 1169, what I expect we're going to see is that it's going to blow away 1169 and run up to the highs of the 18th of May, which is 1234. And why do I expect that? Well, let's just go over to King Dollar, because this is just, you know, each and every time this happens with King Dollar, it absolutely is amazing, even though I think King Dollar is going lower, because it's tempted this swing point so many times it just can't hit it. It's like amazing. So when we're talking King Dollar, folks, okay, the actual swing, the major swing is $98.74, which was generated on the 7th of August. It got blown apart all the way down to the August 24th low of 92. As it came back topside, it couldn't even take out a minor swing point that was generated out there on August 18th. That's a big heads up. That's a huge heads up, folks. Bottom line is that King Dollar wants lower price. Now, let's go over to the bond market, because what you're going to see is this. The bond market continues to give us the best information as to where the markets like to go every day. Now, so watch this. This is really cool. The 10-year today, it's up 17 ticks. You did 938,000 contracts, but now watch. That's not enough contracts, folks, okay? So, and what I mean is this, is that you're coming into the high. Now you closed at 128.12. 128.12 is into the high that was generated out there on the 24th of August. The high in the 10-year, the all-time high is 129.10. But watch what you're doing. You came into that today. We came in with 938,000 contracts. You're coming into 1.2 million contracts. Now, what that tells me is this. When we're first talking about you did 100% move with the move on the way down, market should bounce. This is the correlation that the markets also say it should bounce. Why? Because we're going into that high. You have 200,000 letter contracts. That'll set that back. You pull back a little. More than likely, what I expect, you'll pull back on lighter volume, and that will give you the bounce. The 30-year, what the 30-year did is this. Price-wise, you're up almost 2 points. You're at 1.1 and 28 ticks. 30-year also had 213,000 contracts. You're going into 290,000. That's also saying that the bond market wants to pull back. Bond market pulling back equals the correlation of the S&Ps bouncing. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to be coming right back. Dow Industrials down 312. NASDAQ off a $142. S&Ps down 47. We're going to be coming back with our man, Mr. Kevin Hinks, at the 4:30 hour from TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. You stay right there, folks. Come right back.